Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks, discussing about some shortcut tricks on array. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to check the given array is associated array or not. So let's take an example. So just go to the Visual Studio Code and here I am adding two array. Okay, the first is the numbers array and the second is the student array. Okay, so let's check which array is associative array and which is the indexed array. Okay, so we know that if we not provide any index into the array, then it is indexed array, means this numbers is indexed array. We have not provided any index, we directly provided the value is 10, 20, 30. Okay, so this is the numbers array, and here you are getting this is the students array and we are providing name equal to John. So this is the value and this is the key. Okay, so name John, email john@email.com. so this is the associative array. Suppose you are getting some data from anywhere and you don't know what is the type of that array. Is it associative array or it is the indexed array? So how you can check that? Okay, so for that we have an array function. So to use the array function we need to use the illuminate support array, and now we can check. Okay, so if you want to check whether this number which type of array, so now creates a variable and let's check is associative. Okay, so I am just writing a short form is associative, and let's use the array function. Okay, so to use this arrow function we have already included this array and the function is isAssoc. Okay, and just passed your array which you want to check. So I am passing the numbers. Okay, and let's print that. So I just use the var dump so that we can understand which type of value is this. Okay, and actually this isAssoc function return the boolean result, means if this is okay, then it's return the true, otherwise it's false. Okay, isAssoc. So simply write it isAssoc. Okay, and I am checking these things into the student array also. So isAssoc new or 2. Okay, and I am checking these things and just provide the student array here. Okay, now if I just go to the browser and refresh this, we are getting the first value is false and second value is true. That means the first array is not a associative array, it's indexed array or something different array, but the second array is associative array. Okay, so easily we can understand. So this was the quick tricks, and you can understand easily the array type by this isAssoc function. So hope you will like this video, and if you get any helps from that video, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. We'll come with the more video like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.